Good morning, West Michigan. We are waking up to a quiet start to this Monday, relatively mild as well, and with a mixture of clouds and sunshine and a strong southwesterly wind. Temperatures should make it up to around or a touch above 60 degrees this afternoon. We're currently holding steady in the 40s and low 50s. As you can see, the winds are starting to pick up a little bit, especially along the lakeshore. These are sustained winds running about 5 to 15 miles per hour. We have some gusts running about 15 to 20 miles per hour already. And as we move through the afternoon hours, you can certainly see how the winds will become very active. In fact, we'll have winds for several hours this afternoon running 30 to as high as 35 miles per hour. We managed to make it up to 60 degrees yesterday. We reached the upper 50s on Saturday, so we were a little above average. Saturday was just a unique day. We had the sunniest Saturday that we've had in all of 2025, and we had 2.4 mile per hour average wind speeds, so it was a very calm day. The sunshine and temperatures a little above average. It was just a delightful day for outdoor activities. Yesterday and Saturday, by the way, the first back-to-back days with high temps above average since the first week of the month. And today we're actually heading into what's going to be a weather roller coaster ride this week. In fact, temperatures will do a giant step backward as we head through the day tomorrow. Windy, turning sharply colder with rain and snow showers mixed together early Tuesday morning. Now we're tracking today the windy, mild conditions, mostly dry with a mixture of clouds and sunshine, and high temps again reaching the upper 50s to low 60s. Tomorrow only in the 40s for highs after those morning snow showers. And then later this week, we've got another shot at some severe weather rolling through. In fact, the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms on Friday, as Friday's highs make it back well into the 60s before pleasant weather builds for much of Easter weekend. The snow season through today, we've picked up 1/10 of an inch of snow this month, about 1.5 inches last month. The season so far, a little less than 64 inches, which is about a foot below average. And notice these impressive snow totals across portions of the UP, where places have picked up more than 200 inches of snow. That's almost 17 feet of snow for the season. And as that upper level low pressure center rotates through and the cold air banks in, the UP also going to see some more snow, as will northern lower Michigan. And in fact, much of the state of Michigan will be seeing some snow as we head through the day tomorrow as this low pressure center continues to circulate around. That's actually going to work to pivot that colder air down in our direction. So you can see we've got that wintry mix rolling through early in the day tomorrow. Tomorrow, late afternoon into the evening, we'll see the clouds break apart. Should even see a return to partial sunshine by the end of the day. And then we will be looking at clearer skies late tomorrow night into early Wednesday. And then Wednesday, a good amount of sunshine from start to finish with high temps in the low 50s. We're back into the low 60s for highs here on Thursday, mid 60s on Friday. And as you can see, weather roller coaster ride, at least for the first part of the week. And then they've got that milder air building in. Could set the stage for some severe weather on Friday, pleasant weather for Easter weekend. And this is the 8 to 14 day outlook, which takes us through that last week of April. The pattern finally flipping with the cool air pooling out west, the central and eastern United States, much warmer than average temps. And I do think here in the state of Michigan, that's likely going to bring us temperatures in the 60s to possibly even a few days with readings in the 70s.